Now that we've identified upper cross syndrome and its assessment in last episode, it's time to fix them. Today, we'll go through the best rehab exercises to correct UCS using Janda's proven approach. These exercises will help relieve neck pain, restore posture, and improve movement control. Janda's method follows a three-phase approach to correct movement dysfunctions. Step 1. Inhibit overactive muscles. Step 2. Activate weak muscles. And Step 3. Integrate functional movement. Step 1. Stretching and inhibiting tight muscles. Before strengthening, we need to relax and lengthen tight muscles that contribute to poor posture. The exercises involve pectoral stretch or the corner stretch, upper trapezius stretch, and levator scapulae stretching. These are the tight muscle groups, and stretching can be a good method to release them. Perform these stretches for around 5 to 7 minutes before progressing in the treatment. However, with stretching, myofascial release techniques or any other soft tissue release techniques can also be utilized. The goal is to release the tight muscles. Now, we activate the weak, inhibited muscles that are essential for maintaining proper posture. The exercises involve chin tuck exercise for deep neck flexor activation, the wall slides for serratus anterior and lower trap activation. Then the prone Y raises for lower trapezius activation and scapular retraction exercise in all fours position. Perform these strengthening exercises for again 5 to 7 minutes and 2 times in daily routine. No, here's a bonus exercise for you. This is called the wall clock exercise.
We are going to just push down with our head into the couch. We are going to push down with our hands, arms, forearms into the couch. We are going to shrink our tummy in, pull it in and press down. Similarly, we are going to use the back of the legs and heels to push down. And we are going to hold that contraction for around 5 to 10 seconds and then we are going to relax. Perform this for 5 repetitions in the neutral position where the hands are beside the body. And then just again go back into the Titanic pose or the T pose and again choose these 4 regions to push down. So again you are pushing down with the head, with the back of the arms, forearms and wrist, with your tummy and with the back of your legs. Again for 10 seconds and 5 repetitions. And then we are going to be in the Y pose and we are going to again push down. So this is again around 1.5 to 2 minute exercise which can be used on a regular basis to train your muscles that overstrain and remains stretched throughout the all day long work.
To prevent upper cross syndrome from returning, we must train proper posture and movement control in real-world activities. This is called functional integration. It involves practicing standing with neutral spine and scapular positioning, and marching and walking with a good posture, and assuming a reverse Superman pose sometimes during rest. You can check out our video on how to perform reverse Superman exercise. Now, here are some important insights in daily routine perform. Stretching and mobility, 5 minutes. Muscle activation, 5 to 7 minutes. Functional drills, 5 minutes, and progression should be like increase resistance every 2 to 3 weeks. Add functional movement challenges, e.g., overhead lifts, loaded carries. Train postural endurance with prolonged holds and isometric control. Now that we've corrected upper cross syndrome, our next video will focus on lower cross syndrome, how to assess and fix this common lower body postural dysfunction. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.